welcome back. I have some more cool hip hop moves to show you. And I have a special friend that's going to join me today. Yes, High Pitch. High Pitch is going to help me show you some cool hip hop moves. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started. Alright everyone, let's do our first move. So we're going to take our arms and place them out in front of your body like so. Make sure your feet are apart. And we're going to go side to side, okay? So just side to side. So we're going to do this for an 8 count, which means we're just going to count to 8. Ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do the next move. For our next move, you're going to bring your arm up, just like this. And we're going to bring our opposite knee up with our arm. Okay? So it's going to be up, and then we're going to do the other side. Up. Nice job. So let's do this for an 8 count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're going to do our next move, which is basically taking your arms, placing them behind you this time, and we're going to switch side to side like this. Got it? So they're behind you, and switch side to side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Alright, so let's do all of the moves together slowly, and then we'll do it at a kind of a faster pace. Alright, you ready? Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You all did awesome today. Give me a high five. And then give yourself a pat on the back because you did great. I'll see you next time.
Wow, did you have fun performing this dance with High Pitch? Well, send in a video submission to mrmusicmanhuntersville@gmail.com and you could be featured as a hip hop star of the week in our next episode.